Hello guys, review smartphone Oppo A55. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Open box, look complectation. In complectation we have documentary and protected back cover on this device in the black color, made of plastic. Okay, and compactation, adapter for charging, and we have a Type-C cable. Okay, and we have protected film on the front side, on the display. Okay, on the back side, double camera LED, a triple camera LED. On this side, volume keys and slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power key with fingerprint scanner. And on the front side, we have display 6.5 inch. Front camera on the upper left corner. On the downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Display, we have HD Plus display, LCD matrix, 60 Hz. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have 4GB RAM memory, CPU MediaTek 6765, octa-core processor, 4+4 cores, 1.8 and 2.3 GHz, and GPU PowerVR ROG E8320, resolution and display PPA. It's CPU test results, single-core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this, look into the benchmark results. Under the benchmark results, okay. Close this, and run the manual game, GTA San Andreas, look how this game works on the device. Game works on the max graphic level. And game worked good on the max graphic level. Okay, close this. And now talk about camera. I'll show you photos on the main camera, 50 plus 2 megapixels. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.